Next topic is the order of reaction. How we calculate the order of reaction? So it gives the relation between the rate of the reaction and concentration of the reactant, and it represents the number of species whose concentration directly affect the rate of reaction. Okay, so number of species जिसके concentration affect करता है rate of reaction को, उसको order of reaction represent करता है. इसमें क्या है, sum of powers to which the concentration of reactants are mixed in the rate law expression, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, this is known as order of reaction. Order of reaction, consider a reaction AA plus BB gives CC and DD, where A, B, C, D are stoichiometric coefficients. So rate will be the minus dx by dt, because the rate at which reactants is decreasing is equal to K A concentration of A raised to power x and B raised to power y, where x and y is not equal to A and B. So x is not equal to A and y is not equal to B. So this is the concept. And next is the rate of reaction is minus dx by dt, K A ki power x, B ki power y. So order is x plus y. Order is not equals to A plus B, and this order is determined from experimental. Is from experiments we determine the order of reaction. And next is the molecularity of the reaction. Molecularity means elementary reaction is taking place, then how many molecules of A are participating in the reaction, how many molecules of B are participating. So it will be A plus B. Next, to determine the order of the reaction, rate expression of reaction is must. The nth order reaction, we can say that rate is K times concentration of A raised to power n. So how we calculate the unit of rate constant, where K is the rate constant. K is known as the rate constant. So rate constant depends on independent of temperature. No matter how much temperature changes, the rate constant will be same. It will be everywhere same, but rate of reaction changes with temperature. So units of rate constant will be moles per liter raised to power 1 minus n, second inverse. So mole raised to power 1 minus n, liter raised to power n minus 1, and second inverse. So mole raised to power minus n, liter raised to power n minus 1. Okay, thank you.